So we are continuing with exercise 6.2, and because now we are left with only 3 sums, today's work is only going to be these 3 sums and nothing else. We'll start with a new chapter in our next session. Now remember children, these are word problems. So the word problem needs to be copied from the textbook. The entire word problem has to be copied from the textbook. And then copy the solution from the video that I am sending you. Sum number 6 says that we bought a book for 43 rupees, 43.65 rupees. She gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did she get back from the shopkeeper? So let's take down our details first. This is sum number 6. Tanvi bought a book for how much money did she give him? Or how much money was the book for? 43 rupees, 43.65 rupees. 43.65 rupees. She gave the shopkeeper 50 rupee note. She gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. We all in our lives sooner or later have gone shopping, and to shop you need money. When you purchase something, you find out the cost of it. When you do not have the exact amount to give to the person, you can't give him less, you can give him more. If something costs for 450 rupees and you give a 500 rupee note, you know that you have to get 50 rupees back. How do you come to know what operation is involved in this? Subtraction. From the money that you have given, take away the cost of the article. It is that amount that comes there as the answer is the money that has to be returned by the shopkeeper to you. So, how do I find out how much does Tanvi get back? So, total money given will be rupees 50 and cost of book which is rupees 43.65. Now from the 50 rupees that she is given, I take away the cost of the book, I will come to know the amount of money that she needs to get back from the shopkeeper. Now the point of 50 is after the number 50. Empty spaces fill 0. Now I subtract. 5 becomes 4. This becomes 10. 9. This becomes 10. 9. This becomes 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 6 is 3. 9 take away 3 is 6. And 4 take away 4 is 0. So let it be as it is. What is this amount? This is the money that the shopkeeper returns back to Tanvi. So, money returned. I will have to form a final statement here according to the question that has been asked. How much money did she get back from the shopkeeper? She got back rupees 6.35. She got back rupees 6.35 and I leave it as it is. Sum number 7. Now here you can see she got back rupees 6.35. Now we don't have any paise. When I was a small little child and a kid like you, we used to deal in paise. I used to get a biscuit for 10 paise and I used to get a gola of ice which they shaped and they put lots of colored flavored juice over it to have. I used to get that for 50 paise. A smaller version of that for 25 paise, but unfortunately now we have done away with the paise. Now we only have rupees and no paise. But but now we don't have paise anymore. It's on paper, but in circulation we don't have any paise coins. In Srinagar, snowfall in 3 weeks of winter season was recorded as 10.67, 11.347 and 9.78 centimeters. What is the total snowfall in those 3 weeks? Total means add. So, I will write it as first week, second week, and I will write it as third week. And I will put my details. The first week, the snowfall recorded was 10.67 centimeters. The second week, it was 11.34 centimeters. Remember, all you have to do is make sure that the point is under the point. And the last week, that is the third week, it was 9.78. Now, where will that 9 go? It will not come under this because that is in the tens place value. It is a unit, it has to put the units place value. 9.78 centimeters. They've asked the total, so I have to add 7 and 4, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 3, 10 and 7, 17. 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 9, 11. Point under point, carry 1. 1 and 1, 2 and 1, 3. 31.79 centimeters. So this is the total. So I have to have a final statement and I go to my question and says, what is the total snowfall in those 3 weeks? The total snowfall for those 3 weeks was 31.79 centimeters, and that's my answer. Because they have asked for total, so I take down the measurement for the first week, then the second week, then the third week, and I total them down. I add all of it. I'm going to sign here. This is an addition sum, and this is subtraction sign is already there. So I add all the quantities or all the measurements. The snowfall for the first week, second week, and third week, and I add and I get a total. The total tells me the total snowfall for those 3 weeks was 31.79 centimeters. One more sum, and we are done with this chapter. We'll start with a new chapter when we meet in my next video. The weight of a cylinder filled with gas is 28 kg. If the weight of the empty cylinder is if the weight of the empty cylinder is 13 kg 600 grams, find the weight of the gas contained in it. Now they have given us the weight of the cylinder filled with gas, and they've given us the weight of the empty cylinder. We have to find the weight of the gas. Obviously, remember children, cylinders come to all of our homes, but when a cylinder comes filled from the company, it weighs much more. It is much heavier because it has gas filled inside. But as we utilize that gas to make our food or the gas stove, the gas diminishes or becomes less, and the weight of the cylinder becomes lighter. Now the gas that they fill in it is different from the gas that you have in your atmosphere. This is called LPG, that means liquefied petroleum gas. The gas in it is in the form of liquid. When you turn the gas on, the pressure of it mixing with the air becomes gas. It's just like your perfume bottle, which has liquid in it, but when you spray it, it comes out like a gas or in the form of a gas. So, how do I find away the weight of the empty cylinder, we'll come to know the weight of the gas. Let's take down our information first. Now, weight of filled cylinder. Weight of filled cylinder is how much? 28 kgs. Weight of empty cylinder. Weight of empty cylinder is how much? 13 kg 600 grams. 13 kg 600 grams. Now, this is a chapter on decimals and we have to do the work, or we have to do the working in the form of a decimal. Now here we have the weight of the filled cylinder is 28 kg, but the weight of the empty cylinder is 13 kg 600 grams. So there's kgs as well as grams. So I will make this into a decimal number. So from the weight of the filled cylinder, I will take away the weight of the empty cylinder. Now this can be also expressed as 13.600. Now mind you can write 13.6 only or 13.00. Now how do I identify where the point comes? The point comes in the whole number. Remember, I have taught you that the decimal has two parts, the whole part and the decimal part. The whole part of the cylinder, empty cylinder, is the 13 kgs because it is grams that makes the kgs. Kgs don't make grams. So grams make kgs, kgs don't make grams. So kg is the whole, grams is the part. So this is the whole part and this is the decimal part. Don't get confused. So you can write 13.600 or 13.6 also will be kept. So 13.600 kg. Kg why? Because it is the grams that makes the kgs. The kgs don't make grams. And that is 28 kgs. Now I find the weight of the gas in the cylinder. So filled cylinder, from the filled cylinder, which is 28 kgs, I will take away the empty cylinder. The weight of the empty cylinder. Here I have written it in short, I have not written a long lengthy sentence. Filled cylinder means, filled cylinder that many kgs means weight of filled cylinder is 28 kgs. I am not going to write weight of the filled cylinder is 28 kgs. No. Filled cylinder 28 kgs means that a filled cylinder is weighing 28 kgs. And the weight of an empty cylinder is 13.600 kgs. Now you will find empty space filled up with 0, point under point or point above point. Borrow 2 becomes no. This 2 will remain as it is. 8 will become 7. This will become 10. I don't have to borrow any further. 0 take away 0, 0. 0 take away 0, 0. 10 take away 6, 4. Point under point. 7 take away 3, 4. And 2 take away 1, 1. So this is gas in cylinder. Gas in cylinder. The weight of the gas in the cylinder is 14.400. 14.400. We never say 400. 14.400 kgs or 14.4 kgs also you can say. So they have asked find the weight of the gas contained in it. The weight of the gas. The weight of the gas contained in it is 14.4 kgs. And that's how you do these three sums. I've done it in different chalks so that you can segregate and see see clearly which sum is for which word problem. Remember, the word problem has to be taken out from the textbook and